Hello everyone, my name is Batty Bomb, and is this the same makeup I was wearing for yesterday's video? Perhaps. My own laziness aside, if you're a goth person, there are two things in this life that are absolutely guaranteed for you. The first one is that you will spend like a solid 45 minutes planning the perfect outfit in your head, only to go actually get them and discover that they're two different shades of black and now it's ruined. The second one is you will be spending a lot of money on whatever outfit or whatever you're trying to put together. Well, if you watch any of my videos, you might know that that's not something that I have, whatever that's called. Money? Yeah, no, don't have that, never heard of her. So in light of me not having money, what I've done is that I have gone on Amazon and attempted to find a wide array of goth things, anywhere from clothes to knickknacks, down to like stuff for your home. And I'm going to do an unboxing video for you guys, and I'm going to review the products that I've gotten, see if they're worth what I paid for them. Most of the stuff is still in its packaging, so this is the only knife I could find, which is overly gratuitous. But it'll do. So much plastic wrap. My cats will love this. Okay, so the first thing I got was this, like, suspender. This is actually a suspender skirt. It looks like it could be a mini dress, but it's a suspender skirt with different straps across it to go up your waist. It's actually got like a little pearl decor on the back, which was not part of my reason for getting it. I figured it'd be like a good basic piece, especially since I don't have a whole lot of skirts. Okay, so this is the circle suspender skirt that I got. It's pretty cute once you actually get it on. I had to go and find one of my rare, not totally solid black shirts in order to make this happen. But the zipper was pretty sticky. I had a really hard time zipping it up in the back. It would just get caught, like even now. You can see that it's just not wanting to zip up quite as easily as it should. Once I got it on, it fits pretty well. It's comfortable, which is really nice. It's not too short, while also not being crazy long, but as you can see, I've got a problem with it slipping down my shoulders on both sides. I don't know if that's just a me problem, or if it's a problem with how the skirt is cut in general. But maybe it's just, well, because of my chest, but I'm having a really hard time figuring out exactly where these suspender straps should sit, because I keep wanting to push them off to the side, and I feel like that doesn't look quite right. Overall, it's super cute, and I think it was totally worth the money that I spent on it. Okay, the next thing I got is actually adorable. So, I still have a penchant for stuffed animals. I think they're just the cutest. So, I found this little guy. It's a little plushy Baphomet, and I think he's just adorable. Soft. And look at his little face. Who wouldn't want to join up with him? Look at him go. How adorable. Okay. So I got a nice little Baphomet plushie. Super well made, super cute, super worth having. I think I paid $20 for him. They had another version as well. It was like all pink and pastel, so if you're into pastel goth, that might be more your speed. But we've got this little guy, and we'll just go ahead and we'll put him... Awesome. Great. Alright. A small thing. It's a little pack of different goth-style pins. It was also marketed as like an emo pack of pins. So if you haven't moved on from your scene or emo phase yet, these could also work for you. Okay, so I thought when I ordered these pins, they were like enamel pins, like the kind of metallic feel, but they're actually plastic. Which is still okay, but they're just not as sturdy as I expected them to be. They'll still look cute, but kind of disappointed they're not enamel. This one's actually got a little like hook on the back for it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a little like jagged piece of metal here, so that would have to be something you're really careful of. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm going to see if any of the other ones have this problem. Let's try the Good Luck Cat. I really like the Good Luck Cat because it reminds me of my cat Hades. Yeah, this one's got the jagged piece of metal on the back of it too. I think this was $5. I'll have to double check it. If that's not correct, I'll pop it up on the screen as text, whatever the actual price was. But I believe it was $5 for all 5 of these, so they weren't crazy expensive or anything, so I guess I probably should have expected them to be plastic. But I think they were marketed as enamel pins. So if you're looking for something that's just kind of like cutesy and not crazy sturdy, you should be okay with these. They're not wildly expensive, but they're just kind of not the quality that I was hoping for. This is one that I'm actually really excited about. This is a, like, custom choker. Well, it says, like, custom handmade on it, but I've seen the design other places. Other people have it. It's just like a really thick 3-ring choker. And I don't have any thick chokers. It's packaged really nicely. I wasn't expecting it to come in like its own mini box. I was kind of just thinking they were just going to throw it in there. The inside, so they're clearly taking good care of it and shipping at least, so it doesn't look to be damaged or anything. Oh my god, it's got a really strong leather smell. That smell just popped me across the face. Oh my god. Okay. So it looks like it's a little bit thinner than I thought it would be. It's actually pretty thin. The strap's a little bit funky over here on this side. It's a little bit, like, bent. That's probably just from shipping, though. Alright, okay. Yeah, I'm feeling this. It's not crazy heavy like I was thinking it was going to be, so that's a plus. Even though it's not quite as thick as I had hoped it would be, material-wise, it seems like it's okay. And I paid, I believe it was $15 for this. It says Make America Goth Again on it, which is the only appropriate use of that slogan. That's going to be my official stance. Alright, so this is really, really thin. Like, if I hold it up to the light, I can see my apartment clear through it. So this is probably something you'd have to wear a jacket over. The straps are really thin as well. Like, I could snap this with no effort at all. This is not black, this is dark gray. You can see straight through it when the light hits it. I'll try it on and see how it fits, but so far, not super impressed with it. This is the Make America Goth Again tank top, and, oh yeah, oh no. Oh no. This is not gonna fly. It fits super weird on the sides, like, it's already, like, kind of, like, winged out almost. It doesn't feel fitted. So it's just super bizarre that it doesn't fit properly up here. This is their extra large, so it should fit me by all accounts just fine, and it's just not. It's really, really thin. I'm kind of surprised that you can't see clear through it while it's on me. The positive thing I can say about it is that the logo feels like it's really nice. It feels like it's not gonna, like, flake off or anything, but it just fits super weird. It hangs really bizarre. I keep feeling like I have to adjust it because it's not even. Yeah, this one's probably not going to make its way into my closet. Next thing that we're going to go through is actually like a goth home item that I got. Great. Okay. God, they bubble wrapped this to death. Okay. And it's obviously individually boxed, which is good because I got these little salt and pepper, like goth salt and pepper shakers. This one says pure cyanide poison on it, which is just adorable. And then the other one says pure arsenic poison. The only kind of downside is that there's not one or the other dedicated to being salt or pepper, so it's going to be just my luck that I'm going to need to grab salt and dump a whole bunch of black pepper onto whatever I'm eating. But they're really well made. They don't feel like crazy cheap. They don't feel like I could break them just by looking at them incorrectly. So these are cute. Then the last thing I got actually wasn't in my original order. It is a goth thing from Amazon though, so I'm including it. It was just a separate package that arrived because my husband actually got it for me as a gift. So the last thing in the box is this super cute goth apron. I love to cook. but I have to be all goth all the time or I'm not comfortable. So, goth kitchenware it is. And the most important thing, it has pockets. You add pockets to anything and you've automatically made it 10% better, at the very least, sometimes more. Someone walks up to you, they're like, oh hey, cute dress, oh hey, cute apron. Thanks, it has pockets. Automatically better. Okay, so I put the circle skirt and my rose top back on to show you the apron, because I feel like it would do it a little bit more justice to have a skirt on underneath the particular shape of the apron instead of like jeans or something. So this is the Goth apron that was ordered off of Amazon. It feels super sturdy. I don't have any problem trying to keep it to stay up with the straps. It's got like a really nice thick material. The pocket is super handy. And overall it's just really cute. It fits really well. It's got a whole bunch of excess tie back in the back. So if you're not like my exact body shape, you could still totally wear it. You would just have to either tie it a little bit tighter or looser than I've got it. Here's a little bit of a closer view for you. You can see all the details. You can see like the ruffles along the edges here. And it's doing a good job as an apron. Even though this circle skirt is still failing me by falling down. All in all, not a bad haul. The only thing I think I'm going to be trying to return is probably that tank top. But if you're looking for jewelry or like little tiny home goods, I would totally recommend going to Amazon for goth stuff, because this choker is just adorable. That's going to be all for this Amazon haul unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until the next video, stay spooky.